Hi everyone. Welcome to CCTV Expert. Today, we're addressing a common issue that some customers face with UNV Intercom systems. After a firmware update, the outdoor unit's call isn't received on the indoor unit, even though the call comes through on the mobile app. If you're dealing with this, keep watching as I guide you step by step to resolve it. Step 1. Understanding the issue. This issue arises even when the outdoor and indoor units are paired. Both devices are on the same PO switch and network. Let me demonstrate the problem. Here's an outdoor unit calling, and while the call appears on the mobile app, it doesn't show on the indoor unit. Step 2. Resolving the issue. To fix this, set a new registration password. Go to the settings on the indoor unit. Locate the registration password field. Set a new password. Note, this password should not be the same as the indoor unit's login password. Update the outdoor unit settings. Use the device discovery tool to locate the outdoor unit. Access the outdoor unit settings. Find the registration password field and enter the same new password you set in the indoor unit. Step 3. Testing the fix. Now, let's test the system. I'll place a call from the outdoor unit.
Call is coming.
This time, the call should be received on both the indoor unit and the mobile app. As you can see, the issue is resolved. Thank you for watching.